So, I'm here in Smart Taytay. Currently, it's a renewal of my contract sa Smart. So, claim ko na ang iPhone XS Max 64GB Gold. Kaya, I will discuss eventually yung unboxing once I go home. And then I'll edit this video. So, very exciting kasi itong phone ko 4 years going 5 years na. Kaya kailangan na ng bagong, naglalag na eh. Tsaka kailangan ng bagong pang vlog. So, later on, I'll show it to you and that's it for now. Then, hello! Nandito na ako, nakauwi na. Grabe yung traffic. Pero, ayun, nakuha ko na yung unit. Mabilis naman siya. Mabilis ang process. So, na-renew na yung contract ko. So, lock na naman ng 2 years. Patay tayo dyan. Pero, yeah, kailangan ko na mag-upgrade kasi medyo luma na eh. So, ito siya. So, kakano ko lang. So, renewal. And syempre, pag bumili ka ng device, alaga mo, kailangan mo ng casing. So, bumili mo na ako yung tama lang. Syempre, with matching, what you call this, yung tempered glass. So, ito siya. Ito na siya. O, tempered. O, basta yun. At nasawa ko eh. Pero anyway, so ito yon. So, syempre, kailangan mo i-protect. Tapos, pati yung harapan. Hindi biro eh. Gorilla Glass daw. So, kunin natin actual device, then magka-unboxing tayo. iPhone XS Max. So, ito siya. Gold. So, 64 gigabytes. So, ang gagawin ko ngayon is basic unboxing lang. Tapos, baka after a week or two, gawa ulit ako ng review naman kung ano yung experience na after a week. So, yung mga features niya versus dun sa luma kong cellphone. Tapos, compare ko rin difference ng iPhone 6 Plus, iPhone 7 Plus, yun yung sasawa ko, and then itong iPhone XS Max. Hindi na ako makapaghintay, naglalag na kasi, kaya gusto kong manhintay yung September, iPhone 11, baka gawin na lang iPhone 11 Max or gigantic. So, let's start with the unboxing. Okay? iPhone XS Max, may tatlo po siyang kulay, gold, space gray, and silver. Mga capacity, it's 64 gigabytes. 256 and 512 gigabytes. Ang size and weight is 60.20 inches height, 3.05 inches width, and weight is 208 grams or 7.34 ounces. Display, it's 6.5 inches with Super Retina HD siya, with multi-touch display and HDR display as well. Plus, it's an all-screen OLED. And it has a two-tone display, 3D touch, and ito yung maganda, splash water and even dust resistant. So sabi nila, mapakape, tubig, soft drinks, pwedeng-pwede siya. And meron daw tong A12 Bionic chip, next generation na neural engine. Camera, 12 megapixel wide angle, and maganda sa camera is you can also do other exposure control, burst mode, timer mode, and even advanced red eye correction. So video recording 4K, 1080p, 720p, and even optical image stabilization for video. So kaya ganun siya kaganda. True depth camera, 7MP camera, and even it has a retinal flash, backside illumination, and even burst mode. and Face ID as well. Ayan ang bago sa akin. So, it's a combination of cellular and wireless. And you can also do video calling, FaceTime, audio calling, FaceTime audio, and even audio playback. And basic parts of the external button and connectors, meron siyang ring and silent, left side, volume up and down, side button, the built-in stereos. Okay, ito na po. So, nag-on. So, we will start to reset everything or set up everything. So, kanina nakita niyo yung in-unbox ko. So, yung mga basic papers, yung mga headset and everything. So, ang gagawin naman natin ngayon, we will set it up for the first time. Ayan, sabi, hello. So, pero before anything, tanggalin muna natin yung pinaka-wrapper. So, ito na sabi nila yung magandang part. Parang, alam mo yun, ang sarap ng feeling. So, this is my third iPhone na pinil at, yun nga lang, ito lang yung binlog ko. So, ito siya. So, simulan natin. Gaya-gaya ko sa mga ibang vlogger, no? So, ito siya. Oh. Ayan. Just true nga. Sarap ng feeling. Parang ayaw mo nang tanggalin yung cover. So, ito siya. So, ito. So, I'll make a basic setup. Then, tingnan natin yung mga until makikita mo yung welcome to iPhone. It means yun yung successful setup niya. So, let's start. So, ano ba ito? Nasa swipe ko pala. Okay. So, obviously, we'll choose English. Since nasa Pilipinas, I'll choose Philippines. So, haba na ito daming bansa. Okay. Then, itong magandang bagong feature ngayon sa iPhone XS Max, XS, tsaka XR. Meron na siyang quick start in terms of setting up. Dati ang hirap i-save mo muna sa iTunes, as I remember, iba-backup mo muna, pag na-backup mo na sa cloud, tsaka mo isa-set up dito, and then i-enter mo yung Apple ID mo. But now, it's totally different. Ito yung iPhone 6 Plus ko. So, ang gagawin lang, ang sabi dito, if you have an iPhone or iPad running iOS 11 or later, bring it nearby to sign automatically. If you want, you can also do manual. So, ang ganda na ng option niya. So, tinan mo, itatabi ko lang sa bagong o sa lumang iPhone, tapos ma-identify niya. So, ayan, nagulat nga ako, ma-identify niya na. So, dinikit ko lang. So, ang gagawin ko, it's unlock. So, ito siya. So, gagawin ko ito. So, Touch ID. Continue. Sa old phone to. Kasi ito yung maganda. Parang kala mo merong, medyo hindi nakita, may blue na parang orb. So, ang gagawin lang ng lumang iPhone is i-scan niya. Tapos ita-transfer niya. Ganun na kadali. Kaya ito yung medyo gusto ko sa latest. Imagine, dumating na yung iPhone 7, 7 Plus, 8, kala ko may 9, iPhone 10. Tapos, ito na nga. So, at least worth it on my part. From 6 Plus, nag-jump ka na sa 10. So, ito siya. So, i-scan ko siya. Medyo hindi nyo makita, pero i-ano ko na lang. So, yon, nire-read niya na. So, na-scan na. So, technically, whatever the data, information, it will be transferred here. Okay? So, hiningihan ako ng code. So, obviously, my old code. Ayan. And, sawa ko tumitingin sa akin. Pero siya, naka-iPhone 7 Plus So, 2 years ago, brand new siya. 2 years after, ako naman ngayon. Pero malamang, wala akong magagawa. 2 years from now, Kung iPhone 11, 12, o 13 yon, malamang turn nyo naman. So what I'm going to do with this, I will give it to my son. So as a gift, pero sabi ko sa kanya, ingatan niya. Then eventually, after 2 years of this, whatever the new release, the iPhone 7 Plus will be on my daughter. Yun na. So yun na. So hit continue. Lagay ko lang to sa table. Oh, ito na. Ito yung first experience ko. Ito yun na yung tinatawag na Face ID. Tignan natin. Okay, hit continue. First time ko kasi first time ako mag-Face ID na device na may Face ID. So, get started. So, position your face within the frame. Ayan. Then, move in a circular motion down. Okay. First, Face ID scan complete. Continue. Move your head slowly ulit. Okay, second Face ID, continue. So, Face ID is now set up. Then, hit continue. So, yun siya. So sineset up naman yung Apple ID.
For sure, it will ask for my Apple ID. While nagdano siya, nagsiset up, for sure, nire-retrieve na yung mga information, mga apps sa old phone ko. Yan. So, it might take a while. So, medyo I'll cut the video and then I'll show it to you yung pag-setup na. Kasi, depende rin kasi sa speed ng Wi-Fi mo. Although, nag-upgrade na ako, it's 10 megabytes per second, which is not bad at all kasi pag inaano mo sa speed test, maganda, mabilis naman siya. So, yun, hiningi na yung password ko. Okay? Sign in. Siya. Setting up your Apple ID. So, it's been a while na nag-set up ako. Kasi ever since from, just a history from iPhone 4, yun yung first iPhone ko, yun yung talagang nag-revolutionize ang Apple, wherein in-introduce ni Bill Gates, remember? Oh, Bill Gates, sorry, Steve Jobs. So, doon ako na-amaze kasi yun yung kauna-unang iPhone na merong FaceTime. Na hindi mo akalain na, sabi ko, 10 years back, magkakaroon kaya ng ganung klaseng phone na, alam mo yun, nag-video calling, and which is, it happened. So, ayun na, restore your apps and data, so hit continue. Kasi it might take a few minutes. So, while we're waiting for that, so yun nga, tuwa ako yun, when I was in Singapore, first time ko yun, and then, sabi ko, wow, kasi ganda-ganda na ako yun. Then I remember I bought my wife an iPhone 4 din, pero white. Tuwa siya, pumunta siya one time sa isang carrier here in the Philippines. Sabi niya, ma'am, wala pang ganung klaseng phone white, wala pang nare-release ang dalawang big time carrier in the Philippines. Kasi sinabi ng wife ko, ay hindi, kasi binigay ko sa regalo from Singapore, kaya yun. So, then eventually, iPhone 5, yung first iPhone 5, nagandaan din talaga ako. Sabi ko, wow, so that's the space gray, and then eventually iPhone 6 Plus. And then, everything is history. So, yun, settings from your backup, so hit continue lang. So, ano lang yun.
Then, apps analytics, share with apps developer. Yes, I usually do that para at least makita yung mga errors. Then, true tone, continue. Yan. So, may mga changes sa steps. I remember talagang nag-evolve from the iPhone 4 nang when I had, and then hanggang 6 Plus, the 7 Plus. Tapos, lalo na, I remember when I have an iPhone 4, yung nirelease yung 4S, sabi ko, ayoko, pareho lang halos yung itsura. So, sabi ko, may Siri. So, namangha ako nyon, kaya it routed as sa iPhone 5. Then, nung in-introduce yung big iPhone, so sabi ko, wow, ito yung first ever big iPhone. So, iPhone 6 Plus. So, ikakat ko muna, it will take a while, and then we'll continue. So, there you go. So, let's continue with the steps. So, restore your apps and data. So, hit continue. It may take few minutes. Pero mabilis lang naman to. Tapos, papakita na yung display. So, we're just waiting for the hello part. Yun nga, while we're waiting, yun nga yung share ko na I remember yung originally, ang first Apple device ko is way back 2004. Pero ano pa yon, yung iPod. Yun yung green uh, iPad na nag-revolutionize, kasi yung unang-una yung puti na 1,000 songs ang kaya, na medyo makapal. So sabi ko na-amaze ako doon. Pero yung na-release yung maliit na parang green, na mint green ang dating, sabi ko doon ako nagandahan. So I remember ilang music ang in-upload ko noon. Medyo pahirapan pa yung install ng mga music. So I remember meron akong halos ilang songs ba? Almost 2,000 songs that time. So tumagal din yun. Yun yung first Apple product ko. Tapos I remember yung naglo-lobat siya. Wala pang mga service center, wala pang iMac. May iMac man, very limited. I remember in Makati. Tapos yung naglo-lobat siya, I remember nagpa-free consultation ako. Dinala ng iMac sa Singapore. It took me parang 2 weeks. So para to check, and they found out nga yung battery. So yun. So that's my first Apple product. Tuwan-tuwa ko yun. And then the iPhone released when it was introduced by Steve Jobs. So talagang sabi ko, wow, una, papatok ba to? And then I found out, talagang na revolutionize niya yung cellphone technology. And alam naman natin dating big time na phone provider dito, yung pwede mong gamitin pamitsa. So alam niyo na yun, yung sinasabi ko. So talagang binago yung technology. So there you go. Ito yung sinasabi ko na welcome to iPhone. So ibig sabihin fully set up na siya. And then enjoy. Then syempre lagyan mo na ng protected cover like itong casing. So okay naman siya, affordable. Pati nasa loob na yung hindi nyo lang nakikita, pero ayan, nasa likod yung tempered glass. So welcome to iPhone. So this is my 1, 2, 3, technically 4 setup ng iPhone. So ayan, swipe to get started. Yay! Okay siya. So use this device when sharing location. Okay, use. So ito na siya. So maganda, kumbaga this will be my first time na talagang bezel, talagang from edge to edge na siya. Pero ang galing, no, wise sila sa design, no, para matago lang yung notch doon. So pero very creative, very creative. So yun lang siya. So I hope you like my review or the unboxing until the setup of the iPhone XS Max 64 gig gold. And then after this, I'll go ahead and observe it a week or two from now, and then I'll do a separate vlog. So please like my YouTube channel, and also I'll post it my Facebook page, the Instagram, when it comes to this unboxing review ng iPhone XS Max. So please like, subscribe, and let's grow. And always remember, thank you for watching. And as the saying goes, eat, vlog, sleep, repeat. Thank you.